Hello, welcome back to Marketers React, the show where I review 3 adverts completely blindly that my team have put together. Let's get started with ad number 1. It's a video ad and a woman running a bath. The White Company embrace soothing scents and gentle candlelight in the daylight. Who likes candles in the daylight? Yeah, it's a video. It's nice and relaxing, I guess. It's giving me the chill vibes in which they wish to portray. So that works quite well. Cocoon the sense. That's a nice word, isn't it? Cocoon. Cocoon Matata. Yeah, in terms of, is it a good advert? I'm not sure what they're advertising. A candle? Are they advertising a candle? I'm hoping they're advertising a candle, because if it's not and it's a bath, they've done it wrong. But yeah, sure. It's an alright advert. There isn't really much for me to say on this, because there isn't really much that happens. The copy's nice, the text copy is very nice. Could be a little bit easier to read. I'm struggling a little bit on some of the words. At first glance, if I was scrolling through the feed, I'm watching on quite a big screen. If it was a smaller one, I feel like you struggle a little bit more, but I think it's all right. It's an easy advert to create, that type of stuff, really easy. So yeah, it's all right. 4 out of 10. It's time for a quick apparel advert from Dorothy Perkins, which used to be an old lady shop. However, now I think they're rebranding as like a cool, hip clothing store. So let's have a look. First frame. It's a beach. Dorothy Perkins. Look, it's another apparel advert where they're just laughing and having a good time. I mean, there's so little to say about apparel adverts that it's a real struggle to review them in any sense. But I would say, from a filmmaker's perspective, the shot of them all together is awful. They've clearly got like a reflector, like a light reflector, and just blasted it into their face, and it looks so harsh, especially on darker skin tones. It really kind of, it shines their face a little bit, and it doesn't look great. It doesn't look so bad on the white skin, but on darker skin, it's not flattering at all. They need to light people differently of different skin tones. So yeah, that's not great. Be aware of that if you are shooting different ethnicities, different skin tones. Everyone's skin, everyone's colour skin reacts differently to the light, so beware of that when you're filming. But not much happens really. It's just some nice slow-mo stuff, them posing, all that stuff. It's just, the shot of them walking down the street is quite nice. It would have been better all slow-mo, not just a little bit. But it's a meh advert. Probably better as a TV commercial than a social ad. Doesn't really capture my attention enough, and for that reason, I'm giving it a 4 out of 10. Pizza, now we're talking. Yes, please. Choose from medium pizzas and a side. I love really nicely designed graphic adverts. They're really great, and this is one of those. COVID secure. That's dated it straight away, hasn't it? But yeah, Pizza Hut, it's nice design. It's on brand. It's nice animation from different scene to scene. It's a nice graphic advert. What more can I say than it's nice? Nice. It looks tasty, I guess. This is a really good example, actually, of an advert when you don't really have much to play with. You know, if you don't have real footage and all you have is product shots and stuff like that, you have to think of quite unique ways in order to make the video come alive. And they've done that. They have the shots of the pizza come in. Obviously, they're just preset shots. They've just, you know, kind of put in. And they've made a complete advert out of basically nothing. So kind of proves the point that you don't need an awfully big budget or an awful lot of video content in order to make ads. You just need, you know, some images, a good graphic designer, a good motion graphic designer, and they can basically pull anything together. How converting is it? I mean, the opening part is the £5 favourites menu. If people love pizza, that's going to get them in straight away. However, that doesn't fully come on screen until about half a second, about 1.5 seconds to 2 seconds it comes on screen. I would have started with that first, canned off the animation of it coming in, not working for me, no need for it, but a good advert. 7 out of 10. And that's it for another edition of Marketers React. Thanks very much for watching. If you have any adverts you'd like for me to react to, then leave them in the comments. But until next time, I'll see you later. Goodbye.